Hi guys, Brian Latimer, FLW Tour Pro here. For the Z-Man booth right here, right now, we're going to talk a little bit about the new jackhammer, which is the new bladed jig from Z-Man. This is pretty much the same chatterbait that you've always had, but it's on steroids. Everything is upgraded. All the components are upgraded. You've got a decoy snap here, extra strong. You guys that like to fish a chatterbait on braid, well, you can do it now without worrying about that snap breaking. You can see it's a hand-tied skirt, so you don't have to worry about that skirt slipping off. 5/0 Gamakatsu hook. It's the best chatterbait on the market, best components. All this lines up just to make an absolute fish catching machine. The new jackhammer from Z-Man Fishing Products.